Welcome back. You can add a gamification element to your WordPress website. And what you're going to do here when you search in your plugin area is you're going to search for gamification. You're going to see a number of alternatives available. And many of those alternatives center around the plugin Gamify. The Gamify, as you'll notice, encompasses quite a few integrations and will occupy processes on your WordPress website. So you're going to want to make sure that it will work with the other plugins that you have and that you are going to be ready to roll it back if you need to. So with that, we're going to install Gamify. We're now going to activate Gamify. And you're now going to see Gamify on your left side menu, and you have a list of areas and tools available to you for Gamify. What we're now going to do is we're going to click Dashboard. Now, Gamify is a free WordPress plugin with a paid upgrade, and you'll be able to have certain features available to you depending on how much you want to pay. And basically, you can set up activities that will give your WordPress users points for certain types. You can set up achievements, and you can set up rewards for those achievements. You can display this activity using shortcodes and widgets. So when you're setting up widgets and you use the Gutenberg editor, you're going to see Gamify elements that you can add to any widget using the block editor. And you can add some of those elements to any post or page. Now naturally, if you want to integrate Gamify with other platforms, you can do that. If you come to their add-ons area, you're going to see a number of places for you to add in integrations. You're going to see a Zapier integration. You're going to see a BuddyPress integration. And so there are a number of tools that you'll be able to use along with Gamify, so your user will have a number of ways to get points, and they'll have a number of ways to use those points with the integrations you have available. We are going to look at a few basic setup elements in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.